Let us consider next case, that is polygon law of vector. Polygon law of vector. In the polygon law of vector, what we have to do it is, we have to consider some n number of vectors. This is the first vector a1, the second vector a2, and this is the third vector a3, fourth vector a4, dash 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 we have to take. And in this particular case, if you consider that this particular origin is equilibrium position, so this is starting point we have to take. Now what happens, all vectors has to be represented by means of sides of adjacent sides of a polygon. Then the last side should be represented in the reverse direction, that is called an. Then the summation of all vectors must be is equal to 0. That means if you try to consider like this, these are all the different type of forces what we are considering. 1, 2, 3, dash 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 n number of forces. Then in such a case, summation of all forces with respect to origin, that is going to be 0. That's called polygon law of vectors. Okay. Generally, this polygon law of vectors also comes under superposition principle of different cases. Okay. Now, let us consider the next concept, that is subtraction of vector. Subtraction of vector. Subtraction of vector means S is equal to, we can write down as P bar minus Q bar, which is also equal to P bar plus of minus Q bar. This is called as subtraction of vector. Under this particular case, we have the resultant S is equal to root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ into cos theta. We have to write down here. By using parallelogram law, instead of plus Q, we have to write down minus Q. That's it. You will get this kind of answer. If P is equal to Q, both are equal, then the subtraction value is equal to 2 into P into sine theta by 2, which is also equal to 2 into Q into, we can write as sine theta by 2. So this is a subtraction of two vectors. On the other hand, cases, the subtraction of vectors. First one is concept of relative velocity, relative acceleration, relative angular velocity. Next one is motion of river and boat problems. Next one is rain and umbrella based problems. Next one is, I'll tell you what is this, news. Okay, some directions are given in problem that we have to